Now hold W. Head left. Chant in 3, 2, 1. Chant. I'm gonna fix the voices today.
You can fix it later, random battle ends.
Fix now. Okay, everyone, chant in 3, 2, 1, chant.
Some of them still have the female chant. And I have the female chant too for some reason.
Benno, our right or our left?
Is it just a Brunswick thing? Like all the Brunswick uniforms are just female chants?
23rd, head far left, please. Chant in 3, 2, 1, chant. Chant in 3, 2, 1, chant. Keep going with me, keep going with me. Form here, left and right. Swingers and aim dead ahead. Fire. Pull back to the road. Get in line with me. Chant in 3, 2, 1, chant.
You already died in the first volley?
I'm gonna move up, Benno. Move up. Chant in 3, 2, 1, chant. Black watch me up with me. Black watch me up with me. Chant in 3, 2, 1, chant. Chant in 3, 2, 1, chant. It's gonna hurt. Chant in hold shots. Chant in 3, 2, 1, chant. Chant in 3, 2, 1, chant. Press C. Crouch now. Crouch out. Crouch, crouch, everyone crouch, everyone crouch. Walk up on them, walk up on them. Fire and charge into them, fire and charge into them, fire and charge in the center, get in the center, get in the center. Black watch move up. Flag, play spawns around. Play spawns. No, because we're at number 2 lines to 1 here. Black watch don't move up hard. Pull back to flag. Chant in 3, 2, 1, chant. Back to me, back to me. Form here left and right, form here left and right with me, get to me. Fire and, just fire and pull for now, fire and pull. Chant, pull back on the flag, hold shots. Chant in 3, 2, 1, chant. Get ready to counter charge, get ready to counter charge. Go now, go now, go now, go now, go now, go in now. We're going in. Support it here, Valiant. Just go in. Support it here. Tobias, watch right. Okay, now pull back to me, look for me, hold me, form here left and right with me, form here left and right, form here left and right, chant in 3, 2, 1, chant. Aim dead ahead when you got a shot, aim dead ahead. Fire. Space out, get the spacing going. Crouch, press C, press C. Press C, chant in 3, 2, 1, chant. Okay, stand up, aim forward when you got a shot, aim forward. Move up, hold shots. Form here left and right, fire and charge, just go in, fire and charge. Fire and charge, go in. Blackwatch, go hard in. Blackwatch, keep going. Blackwatch, why are you pulling? Keep going.
Soy rage. Oh, go for that Ethiopian flag.
Go for the black flag.
Snipe that shit.
Look right for the red flag, look right for the red flag, look right for the red flag. Okay, everyone, head to the left, everyone. Head to the left, everyone. Keep with me. Everyone head left. Chant in 3, 2, 1, chant. Chant in 3, 2, 1, chant. Fire and charge here, fire and charge, just go in. Fire and charge into that, just go in. Everyone swing right, look to that red flag, on the right, go right for the red flag, Flag, Kiko.
Kiko.
Walk back to the road, walk back to the road, walk back to the road.
Yeah, Kiko, turn around. Right,
Oh,
left, right, right.
just go in. Go into the blob, go into the blob here, go into the blob.
Kiko advance now. Fang, we need to pull, Fang, we need to pull down the road.
This is
To
too
the road.
laggy.
All those guys on the left are enemies, Fang, we need to pull down the road.
Everyone slam to the road. 30 foot go in. 30 foot go in hard. 30 foot go in.
Kiko, keep moving right. Kiko, move right more.
Just go in. 30 foot go in.
Killing Jesus Christ.
Kiko, keep hitting this one.
Walk into them. Just walk into them. Get an army wipe here.
Alright, Kiko, advance a bit now. Advance a bit, Kiko.
Kiko, play morale. Play morale, Kiko. Try to get the flags out. Try to nick these flags. Try to nick them.
2, 1, Sean.
28 pull backwards. I'll support the charge. 28 pull backwards. Help 42nd.
2, 1, Sean.
Keep going for the flags. Keep going for the flags.
2, 1, Sean. Oh, fuck, just got nicked. My bad. 2, 1, Sean.
I'm gonna console kill. Because that was our flag. We got that.
2, 1, Sean.
Good, okay, walk me. Chance in 3, 2, 1, chance. Top hat, I console killed one of your guys there because we did all the work and he came in alone and nicked a flag. Head right. Chance in 3, 2, 1, chance. One of your guys nicked a flag alone, so I killed him. Console. Chance in 3, 2, 1, chance. Chance in 3, 2, 1, chant. Hold shots. Keep going for now, keep going. See that white flag? Gonna go for that white flag. Fire and charge, fire and charge, go in.
2, 1, Sean. Double tap Q, boys, just double tap.
Move up, 42nd, 23rd, move up, 23rd, move up, 33rd, move up. Been broken on the road here, move up. Flag down.
2,
Flag
1,
walk up,
Sean.
around.
Flag find me. Flag up.
Wait, why did you drop? Okay, yeah, Fingo.
2, 1, Sean.
Okay, it's Barson dropping the flag, grab it.
Grab it.
This flag bearer
Cut left, guys, cut left.
Keep going.
Look at me.
2, 1, Sean.
Did anyone give Keto the flake bearer loadout?
It's
No,
all
doesn't need
good.
it. Chance in 3, 2, 1, chance. Gonna slam into them.
Make sure you guys clump here, okay? Want a good clump.
Move up if you're matching on the road, move up. We've got them broken on the right, left hard.
2, 1.
Move up, guys.
Sean.
Chance in 3, 2, 1, chance.
Fango, watch Andour if they cut onto the.
Fire and charge the blob, fire and charge the blob, go for the blob, fire and charge, go in. Blackwatch,
I'm gonna go help Blackwatch.
pull back.
Blackwatch is lost. Whoever has Blackwatch, run. Blackwatch is gone. Down. Can you get our flag up?
Yeah, run, pull back.
You might be able
Try
to
to go to
save
that
the
blue line there.
Blackwatch.
Try to go into the blue line. Go into the blue line. Go save the flag. Go for that blue flag. Save the blue flag. Save the blue flag. Save the blue flag. Save the blue flag.
Stab him, keep stabbing him. 2, 1,
respawn one of
Sean.
our color guards.
Get it up, boys, get it up.
Fango, I can't spawn it at all. There's no spawn button.
You can't.
2,
Join.
1, Sean.
We can all counter here.
2, 1, Sean.
Everyone counter charge now. 42nd, 28th, counter charge now. Counter charge. Go back in. Fire and charge.
2,
Wait, do I have
1,
to rejoin?
Sean. Fango, draw a flag. Let me draw a flag. Actually, it's a bit
Charge.
risky.
Go in. Counter charge. Go
2,
in.
1, Sean.
Go in. I've got spawns. Go in.
Okay, so can you guys spawn in advance of me, okay? I'm in blue boys, I'm in the blue boys. Find me and clump on me. 2, 1, Sean. Clump on me, boys, clump on me, boys. 3 kills here.
Fingo
6
spawns.
tickets. 2, 1,
Spawn
Sean.
Fingo.
We have no one alive,
Go
man.
into the blob. 23rd, look right. Look left, rather. 23rd can go right. Left. Go left, 23rd.
Tell that blue flag to watch out, please. Blue flag, watch out, look on your right. 2, 1, Sean.
Just go in. Farm your KDs. Just keep going in. Okay, now someone grab the flag. Someone get the flag. Kiko, grab it. We're going forward.
2,
Look for me,
1, Sean. Come on, boys, let's get somewhere out, boys.
23rd, Black Orchard pulling up. Everyone head right. Look for me at the right, I'm white.
2,
23rd, keep up the chase, I'm going right.
Black Watch, be careful, okay?
33rd, 28th, move up, I'm sandwiching them.
2, 1, Sean.
Form here, left, right, press C, form the third, press C, crouch, press C. Move up, go into them, move up, walk into them, move up,
2, 1, Sean.
33rd, move up.
Flag, be careful.
33rd, move up.
Yellow flags, bro.
33rd.
Flag pull, flag pull. Flag pull.
28 lost their flag, 28 is...
33rd, a bit late there.
Flag, get us spawns real quick. Blue flag, can you turn around so we can get spawns real quick?
23rd, can you help us out?
Spawn.
Oh, we got spawn.
2, 1, Sean.
Okay, move with me, move forward. Back to where we were, Move back to where we were.
We need to save the 28 flag.
Try to save the yellow flag, Find charge, save the yellow flag. Find charge, go
Side him. Go. Stab. Stab
the flag.
2, 1.
33rd, get back. 33rd, we go in. We could get them.
It's gone. Kiko.
Oh, he dead. Okay, no, I didn't know that. Sorry.
Pull out. Pull the 23rd.
2,
Can't see the
1,
28th
Sean.
flag. We got it right.
And go away in circle, by the way.
Okay, pull back. We need to full army pull. We're a flag down. Full army pull. 23rd, 42nd pull.
Our escape route is behind 33rd. Everyone else is fucked. 2, 1, Sean.
Chant in 3, 2, 1. Chant. So, bit chaotic here. Sorry for this. Look for me. Stay on me at all times. Hold your shots.
Sean in 3, 2, 1, Sean.
Head towards the garrison, guys. Head towards the garrison. Don't let them form up on the road. We'll get back to our road.
Sean in 3, 2, 1, Sean.
And form here left and right. Aim dead ahead. Aim at the Andorans. Aim dead ahead at the Andorans. Fight the Andour.
200 studs, boys.
Pull.
Sean in 3, 2, 1, Sean.
And now, keep pulling. Form here left and right. Form here left and right. Aim right for the Ethiopians. We have a shot. Fire.
Sean in 3, 2, 1,
Keep pulling back.
Sean.
Pull back to the road. Form here left and right for me. Crouch down. Actually, no, stand up. Chant in 3, 2, 1. Chant.
Spacing, boys.
Walk up, we have a shot, walk up, aim at the Ethiopians, and the Andorans, aim at them, and fire. Pull back down. Chant in 3, 2, 1, chant, get a line going.
Get a line to left, bosses. Fango look left.
Pull back. We're broken on the road, pull back. 28, can you head right, please?
The 28 is...
I need help. I'm dead. Thank you, just keep some rankers in. They're gone. Thank Kiko pull, give me spawns.
Yeah, get spawns. Guys, pull up, just walk up the hill. We're gonna army wipes here, pull up the hill.
35 keep pulling, they're gonna get fucked. We should send some rankers in for the Black Watch. I don't trust them. 2, 1, Sean.
Just keep running up the hill. Chant in 3, 2, 1, chant.
33rd Wadi forming.
Head left.
2, 1, Sean.
Form here left and right. Aim dead ahead at the Andorans. Fire. Pull. Chant in 3, 2, 1, chant. Chant in 3, 2, 1, chant.
The, what's it called? The rifles, the Andorian rifles are pretty far up by themselves.
They have rifles.
Hey, left and right. Aim at the Andorans dead ahead. Aim at the Andorans. Fire at the Andorans.
I don't know. It's 90.
Keep pulling up the hill.
2, 1, Sean.
20-foot need you left side.
Sure.
Chant in 3, 2, 1. Chant. Keep going. 30-foot pull back. 20-foot. 30-foot pull back. Form here left and right. Form here left and right with me. Look for me. Aim dead ahead of the Andorans.
300 studs, boys.
Fire.
2,
Move
1.
right.
Sean.
Move right. And up the hill slightly. Move right and up the hill slightly. And form here left and right of me. Form here left and right of me. Crouch, press C, crouch.
Spacing.
Stand up, get a line going. Chance in 3, 2, 1, chance. Aim forwards in the shot. Only aim. Don't shoot. Only aim. Aim forwards.
250, boys. 250.
And fire now. Guys, you're all aiming for the center. Aim for the sides. Press C, crouch. Chance in 3, 2, 1, chance. Aim where you are on their line. Don't all aim for the center. Chance in 3, 2, 1,
Stand up, boys.
chance.
Finish your reloads. Stand up, finish your reloads.
Don't fire. Move forwards. Move to me here. Crouch, press C, crouch. Walk up them. Chance in 3, 2, 1, chance. Hold shots. Hold your shots. Hold shots. Don't be a retard. Fire and charge. In the center. Go for the flag. In the center. Go for the
This
flag.
flag is down, boys. Keep going.
Flag is down. Go for the flag. We're mopping them. We've got the flag. Go for the flag. We've got their flag here on the left.
We need to go up the hill. That yellow flag's lost, by the way.
Okay, we can save it potentially.
The 93rd.
Wait, is that red flag there? Red flag.
Red flag, enemy. That's enemy. Red flag is enemy.
Go for that red flag. And save the yellow flag too. Go for that red flag, save the
Yellow
yellow
flag come
flag.
to us. Let's see yellow flag come to us.
It's in friendly hand. Oh,
Save
enemy.
the yellow flag. Save the yellow flag.
Stab his prick, boys. Stab him. I have it.
And keep going through them. First foot, keep going up. Guys, me and the 30 foot about to slam to their backs, watch out. And the 28th. Hold W on them, trust me, hold W.
Kiko middle. Thank you. 2, 1, Sean.
Hold W, trust me. Run head right, everyone, head right.
Alright.
28th head right, 40 foot head right. Black Watch, get up here, 20 foot, get up here, stop volleying.
2, 1.
30 foot, why are you so far back? We had an army wipe here potentially, but they're all gonna get out.
Fango, they can smash us. We have like 4 people alive, Fango.
Yeah, pull back to our flag. Guys, why are you so far back? We had that.
2, 1, Sean. Flag up.
Get the flag and walk back.
They're
Flag
charging
follow
us.
me.
Guys, they're all charging me. Where are you? You're all going for 1 or 2 flags, and I'm here baiting the entire army.
Fango, do you want to pull up?
They're pushing
Yeah.
them from the rear.
Up
2,
there.
We
1,
lost
Sean.
those flags.
I mean, good job, guys. You got 1 flag there. We could have got an army wipe there if you stayed on them. Okay, now pull back. Go back. Form here left and right of me. Form here left and right. Aim dead ahead. Fire.
2,
Move
1,
right.
Sean.
Chance in 3, 2, 1. Chance.
Next time you form, give the flag
Chance
to
in
Kiko, by the
3,
way.
2, 1. Chance. See that red flag? We're gonna go phone charge red flag. Just go in. Phone charge red flag. Go for the red flag. It's doing spinning bullshit. Go for the red flag. Go for that red flag.
Get in there, boys. Flag, hold W. Flag, what are you doing, buddy? Just
Flag, hold
W.
W.
Please, just don't be scared. You have flag odds, flag. You have flag odds for a reason. Kiko, just get a flag up and run. We'll be good.
What's going on with
Well,
those flags
Fox.
back there?
That was a Rambo and he was scared.
It's fine.
2, 1,
Yo,
Right,
yeah.
right.
We don't die and
right.
they're gonna pick them up. It's fine.
Chance in 3, 2, 1. Chance. Press C, crouch. That's bad. Pull back. Actually, no, keep going, sorry.
2, 1, Sean.
It's a whole W fest for now.
Flag up. Kiko, grab it. 2, 1, Sean.
Everyone peel right. Look for me, pull right. Chance in 3, 2, 1. Chance.
Gentlemen, stop charging with the 33rd and pull back to
Yeah,
where
get
Fango is.
reloads in too, pull to me. They're about 5, you're still the 30 foot, pull back to me.
2, 1, Sean.
Going for the Andour flag, Phone charge Andour flag, go for the Andour flag. Go in. 40 foot, go in.
2, 1, Sean.
The Polish are coming in. Polish reinforcements.
Black Watch, look right, you get a couple flags here potentially. Black Watch, look right, 20 foot, look right.
They can't do it without getting sandwich, that's a problem. Black Watch can't
Okay,
help.
everyone pull right now, pull right.
2, 1, Sean.
Look for me, guys. About 5 of you still over there. Look for me. Form here left and right. Aim dead ahead, aim dead ahead, aim dead ahead. Aim the Andour, aim the Andour. Fire quickly, fire quickly.
Once you fire, crouch real quick.
Fix spacing. Chance in 3. Pull back. Chance in 3, 2, 1. Chance.
That line's tiny.
Form here left and right of me. Form here left and right. Form here left and right. Aim left Ethiopia. Aim left. Fire charge left Ethiopia. Fire charge left Ethiopia.
I'm in.
Go for that. Go for that flag. Go for that flag. Go for that flag. Watch out for our flag.
Flag's down. Flag's down.
Flag, watch out. Flag, run. Did we get that?
Flag, just pull to the road.
FG run. FG run. Turn. Go back in. Go back in. Turn back in. Turn back in.
Flag up. Flag up. You stole that.
Go head right with me. Hold shot.
2, 1, shot.
Hold W. Chant in 3, 2, 1. Chant. Good shit to those guys, by the way.
Two, one,
chance in 3, 2, 1. Chant. Form here left and right. Aim at the running Andours. Aim at the running Andour. Fire into the blob. Press C, crouch, bat volley. Okay, stand up. Walk up forwards. Chance in 3, 2, 1. Chance. Get reloads. Hold shots. Chance in 3, 2, 1. Chance. Head right. Cut right. Cut right.
There's a massive line coming over the hill.
There are 2 lines coming on the right side.
Both Polish. Wait, no, one's Dominican.
1, shot.
Gonna go for the Ethiopian line. Everyone get to flag. Clump on our flag. Clump on our flag. You see that Ethiopian line? We're going into that. Fire and charge into the Ethiopians. Fire and charge into the Ethiopia. Fire and charge. Just go in. Just walk into them. Walk into them.
Can you get some support here?
Guys, can you come right? I've broken 3 lines here. Can you come right with me? Come right.
Yeah, that Polish
flag. 3 lines and you're sitting there stroking your dick.
Flag, pull back. Pull back on our flag. Pull back on our flag. Flag, pull back.
Is our flag good? Bango, I'm stabbing their flag right now. We have their flag.
We got the Polish.
Get
Guys, stab that. They're alive.
Someone get our flag. Someone get our flag. Now head forward with me. Form here left and right. Form here left and right with me. Form here left and right. Get a line going. Aim dead ahead when you got a shot. Aim dead ahead when you got a shot. Aim dead ahead when you have a shot. Move right. Hold shots. Move right.
2, 1, shot. Homeboys, we need some shots. Andour flags down. 2, 1, shot.
Move up.
Polish flag's about to go down.
Fire and charge. Go for the flags. Fire and charge. Go for the flags.
Flag's down.
2, 1, shot.
Get that Ethiopian flag.
Guys,
Get
get
the
that flag in. Keep going. Keep going for the Andorian
Shot
flag.
FG.
We're in their spawn. We're in their spawn.
2, 1, shot. Should we go left?
There's one dead ahead of us.
Keep going in. Keep holding into them. Run into them. Run into them. Mass assault.
Bingo,
2,
this is
1,
spawn.
shot.
Good.
Keep on, maybe don't worry.
Walk
Don't
in.
question Fango, he has a huge penis.
Kiko, move left, Kiko. Yeah.
Oh shit. Pull back. Oh shit. Pull back.
Bingo,
Oh
it's the
shit. Pull back.
spawn. I told you.
Yeah, sure shit. Yeah, run away, guys. Run away.
1, shot.
'28, 45. Pull back. You're getting encircled. Pull back. You're forming up. Pull.
Bingo, we got nothing. We got no one on us. It's just the 33rd being absolutely holding. Well, just being volleyed
Form
over
here
and
left and
over.
right. Just form here for now. Chance in
Right.
3, 2, 1. Chance. Where are they?
Directly behind the 33rd.
A little bit.
Move
They're
up.
on the road.
Form here left and right. Aim at the Andorans. Aim at the Andorans. The blue guys. Aim at the blue shirts.
300
Fire.
studs, boys.
Head left. Head left. Walk left of me. Get reloads in. Chance in 3, 2, 1. Chance. Just walk in front of the lines. In fact, head behind the lines. Go behind the lines. Go behind the lines. 23rd. Hold there. 23rd hold. 23rd hold. Head left. Chance in 3, 2, 1. Chance. 23rd and 28th move up. Form here left and right. Press C. Press C, crouch. Press C, crouch. Aim for... Okay, stand up, aim at them. Stand up, aim at them. Stand up, aim. Fire. Move up, move up, move up. You're charging, 23rd. We're charging 2. We're charging 2. Go in. If you're charging. You charging? They're broken. Charge in.
I'm pulling. 23rd collapse.
Pull back. Keep going. Pull. Pull, pull, pull. Pull back. I mean, top hat, we broke them. Okay, head with me, Havenson. Everyone head to flag. Form here left and right. Aim at the Andorans. Aim at the Andorans. Aim at them. Fire into that blob. Fire into that blob. Chance in 3, 2, 1. Chance. Walk back. Walk back. Walk back with me. Chance in 3, 2, 1. Chance. Save the blue flag. Save the blue flag.
Break reloads. Break reloads. Stop reloading, guys. Break them. Just stop.
Save the blue and yellow flags. Save the blue and yellow flags. Save them both. Save the blue and yellow flags. Turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around. Turn to turn. Full turn. Get into them. 20 straight into them.
2,
Set red flag.
1.
Wait, where's everyone? Where is everyone? Go into the... Oh my god, nobody's here on our flag.
Everyone was by the
90 flags in danger. 23rd, please help. 23rd, please help. 23rd, please. Please. We saved you, thank you.
Flag up, flag up, flag up.
Okay, spawn in, head left of me. Spawn, head left of me. Head forward. Stay on our flag, guys, in the future. I thought you were with me. That's why we almost lost the flag there. Stay on me. Blackwood, head right. Blackwood, head right more. Stop forming up. Head right more, Valiant.
Bingo, pull us.
30-foot, head down the road. 30-foot, head down the road. 30-foot, you see this? Keep going. Keep going.
Fango, you see behind us, alright?
I don't care. If we get the 3 flags here, then we're good.
Okay.
They're very close, Fango. Very, very close. Just keep an eye on it. Everyone watch behind you. Just keep an eye behind you, boys.
Okay, fire and charge in. Fire and charge in. Go for the red flag. Go in. Go in. Go in.
Tell the guard to stay with the flag. We don't want to
Go
instant.
for that red flag there. Blue guys, red flag. Go in for them. Go into this. Get these flags. Get these flags. You get these. You get these. Go in.
Everyone watch your backs, please.
You
Tell the
get
guard,
these.
stay by the
Keep
flag.
going. Keep going. You get these. Keep going. Get these flags. Okay, I'm gonna kill the red flag. Get the red flag.
Okay, time to deal with these Polish that are chasing us.
Get that red flag. Get the red flag. Go in. Go in. Go in. Full charge into that. Sorry.
Whoever has that flag,
Go in. Go in. 30-foot. Go in. 30-foot. We go in. Flag watch left. Flag watch out left.
flag, follow me. I'm Tobias. Flag, I'm Tobias. Flag, follow me, Tobias.
Prime, watch out for the Prussians. Prussians, I mean the Polish.
Flag, follow me. Just hold up your flag. Hold up your flag is right here.
Who has
your flag? Give me a username. All good.
We need to okay.
Chant in 3, 2, 1, chant. Press C crouch, press C crouch, press C crouch.
Whoever has flag real quick, drop flag real quick.
Walk forward, walk forwards, walk forward. Not onto them, not onto them, just keep going, running out for this, keep going.
Kill the Rambo on our flag, please. Thank you.
Okay, walk with me guys, chant in 3, 2, 1, chant. Walk with me. Fire and charge into this. Blackwatch head in, Blackwatch head in. Blackwatch head in. Blackwatch, everyone head in here, everyone head in here. Go for the Andour flag. Go for the Andour flag.
Kiko, move right. Kiko, move right. Right, Kiko, not left.
Ethiopian
right.
flag by itself. Ethiopian
23rd move up. 23rd move up. Black watch move up.
Everyone watch your left, please. Everyone watch your left. I'm pulling with your
Okay, yeah, pull off.
What do you call it? Once we can spawn, I'll drop your flag. You guys can spawn. I'm Tobias. Say when you want your flag dropped. Say when you want your flag dropped.
We can slam into this red Polish flag here. Everyone, turn right now. Turn right now. Charge right into the Polish flag. Into the Polish flag. Charge right into it. Everyone, charge into the Polish flag. Go for the Polish flag. Go for the Polish flag. Go into it. Go for the Polish flag. Go for the Polish flag. Go for that Polish flag. Get that Polish flag. Get that flag. Get that Polish flag.
Red flag next to it, guys. Keep going. Keep going, boys. Keep going. That red flag next to it, boys. And look right as well. Look right as well. Everyone watch right. Everyone watch right. Everyone watch right. And on your right, guys.
Pull. Everyone pull. Pull. Kick it, run away. Kick it, run.
Kiko, move left. Kiko, move left. Look, move left. Spawn. Kiko, follow me.
The 28th is coming in.
Okay, we're gonna try to save the blue flag here. Everyone head with me. Look for me. Kiko, look for me. Stay on me, guys. Stay on me. Keep on going to the road. Everyone swing left now. Swing left now, everyone. Swing left. We're not going onto the road. Hold shots. Swing left to me.
We could get the green Andorian flag.
Go for the green Andour flag. Go for the green Andour flag. Green Andour flag.
Stabbing him. Dead. 2, 1, Sean.
Going for them. So the Polish flag's flag delivering. Go for the Polish flag. Polish flag's flag delivering.
Kiko, grab spawn. Charge right.
Everyone charge right now. Charge right now. Charge right now. Go for the.
I'm coming right.
Cut right now. Cut right now.
Can you make your flag turn a little bit right, please? Can you turn a little bit right?
Okay, we need to pull off. Pull back.
I'm running. I saved you guys. Spawns. All good.
Okay, just head left for me. Hold your shots. Left for me. Hold your shots. Look for me.
We could get that Polish flag chasing the 42nd.
Pull me left and right. Into the Polish blob. Into the blob. Into the blob. Find that blob. And pull back. Walk back. Chance in 3, 2, 1. Chance. Chance in 3, 2, 1. Chance. Okay, and form here left and right with me. Aim for the blue Andour instead ahead. Aim for the blue guy instead ahead. Fire. Crouch, press C, crouch. Stand up. Chance in 3, 2, 1. Chance. We have a shot. Aim dead ahead. A chance in 3, 2, 1. Chance.
23.
Walk up. Hold shots. Form here left and right. Aim the blue guys. Aim blue. Quickly, fire. Chance in 3, 2, 1. Chance. Get a line going. Move up. Charge up. 28 slam left. Shit, no, that's bad kill. I thought they were winning that. Pull back. That was a bad kill on my part, sorry.
28th, your flag.
33rd and 42nd look to have some troubles right now.
Being 3v1 here on the right, we need help here.
The 23rd flag, save it.
Fango, can we head right? Can we head right, Fango?
23rd flag.
Right.
Can
flag.
you save these guys? Yeah, your flag should be good.
Flag. Go in.
Guys, spawn and charging, boys.
On charge, find me keys.
Come on, boys, stab, and E, stab and E.
Flag down.
Who's on our flag?
still charged. Farm your KD. Battle's over.
Well done, boys. Good battle.
Just go in. Farm your KDs. Go in. Farm your KD.
Ethiopian flag!
I was over anyways. Can't capture. Can you guys, when
You're
you
almost there,
protect
2
Tango,
seconds.
please? Protect Tango,
I've got
boys.
it. There we go. It's safe.
Lovely.
Good stuff today. Good stuff.
Everyone check reloads.
I'll grab these screenshots now as well.
I was able to get a screenshot of 2 of the flags we got.
Oh, why is that live?
We got 3
I'm so
flags.
small.
Didn't we? We got the
Yeah,
Andour
we got
Minutemen
3
and 2
flags.
Ethiopian.
Yeah, I only got the Ethiopian.
30 stole 2 flags from us as well during the army wipe.
I
It's a shame,
saved
but oh
2
well.
flags as well, if that counts, Fango. I saved the, I think it's 23rd or 28th flag twice. 19th stuff.
Yeah, we have 19 people in VC. Dear God.
Yeah, already.
That was a
dropped.
clusterfuck. Okay, guys, form left and right of our flag. Form left and right of our flag here. Good stuff, good stuff. Okay. Today was an AIDS fest. Someone get the flag. Don't let Poland get it. Good stuff.
Everyone check reloads.
It's Poland constant killing. Get in line, guys, get in line. So today, you all did well. That was a severe shitfest. Hopefully you had fun. We had a couple flags stolen off us. It was a very chaotic battle because we were outnumbered by 2, like to be on the move constantly, and communication was a bit whack, which is a shame, but oh well. You did well when you got several flags and it's a decisive BA victory. Hope you had fun. Okay, we'll do a, I think we're doing an army present stuff. Press R, check reloads. Aim up in the air, aim up in the air, aim up in the air. Alchin in the air, Alchin, Nico in the air. "23rd. Top hat. Fire. Fire. Good stuff. Okay. You're all dismissed today. I think we have a battle tomorrow at the same time. Hopefully, yes, less AIDS than this. The last 2 have been rather AIDS. We won, I think. Oh, we didn't win the last one, anyways. We won this one. That's what matters. Got the 2nd most points in the game. No, 3rd. 3rd most. You're dismissed. Thanks for coming.